Alrighty guys, so in today's video, we are going to be looking at this comp cams. It's not really comp though, I don't know why they even label that. This nitrous system component safe blowdown. So, first time opening, well bam. So we got the blowdown here, connects to the bottle. Fittings. Cool bubble wrap that doesn't pop. Warning, important installation, blah blah blah, safety blah blah, must be torqued properly to 30 foot-pounds to ensure leak-free seal. Alright, that's it. Well, that was pretty uneventful. Alrighty, so we got the Zex single purge, we got the solenoid here, the adapter for the nitrous line, that's like a dash, what is it, dash 4? No, it can't be dash. This is like dash 4, right? I'm getting mixed up. Doesn't matter. This goes on here. It goes onto there. Then it hooks into there. And then gives you the button. And then the adapter, the relay, the fuse, and a whole bunch of other stuff, which is nice. We got the wire. I wonder how long this is. The copper rod that goes out of here. I'm trying to figure out where I want to put that. I kind of want to put it right beside the actual headlight, so when it purges, you just see like the blue. Then you got the dash 4. I'm pretty sure. Let's go ahead and read. Oh, it's a dash 3, and then there's the dash 4. Yeah, it says right there. So this one's a pretty simple wiring. I've already done this before, so I really don't need the instructions anymore. But that is what I'll be doing today. Also, I have the Zex TPMS programmer that I need to hook up so I can actually wide open throttle. I don't have to worry about hitting a button, because that's what another thing was. I really wanted to get a window switch and do it that way, because those window switches are a lot safer. But the TPS programmer is kind of like the same thing, but you can't program it. Guys, before we get into today's video, I want you guys right now, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe if you guys are not subscribed. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2011 Mustang GT. I just got done getting this thing polished, looking brand new again. Still need to wipe down the windows, but everything's clean, ready to go. For this today, I'm installing the old nitrous. Okay, well, I already had the nitrous technically installed. This bottle's fucking heavy, but what I'm doing actually is the purge. The stuff's right over there, and got all the fuses I need. Any relays, or not relays, inline fuse, wire connector, blah blah blah, whatever the hell these are called. If you guys need these, I'll link these things down below. These things are gonna come in handy, and it's got like, I forget, there's like 120 fuses. Yeah, and then 10 inline fuse. Man, that just looks so good. All right, time to pop the hood. Can you guys tell I have nitrous? Because I don't. Besides, you know, maybe that line right there and some wires. Don't even worry about it. But I need to rewire this Zex programmer right there for the activation. I need to redo all of that. I did not like anything I did. Like, I have wires everywhere for this stuff. But I'll get to that. I need to install the purge, get the wires all plumbed and run, and all that other good jazz. Okay, so first off is first, take your intake off. Okay, once that is out, place that and these to the side. I don't think I need that anymore. All right, so here is this, and it looks like this is the main for my nitrous itself. So I want to take all this out and out of the way so I can run some wire correctly. Right there, yeah, that works. And just take this one off. And guys, just like how the instructions saying, put your dash 4 adapter onto your dash 4 main, and then your dash 3 coming out for your purge solenoid here. Pretty self-explanatory. One's an innie, one's an outie. This will go out and go, that one go, so don't mix that up. All right, so where would a good spot for the purge to come out? I was thinking just a little hole right here at the butt, or the face right here, and hook the solenoid right here, and it's got to be long enough to reach here. So here, that's my limit here, because I can't go any farther than this. So I want to just take a fog light out and just have it there, but I need it either right here where it's like kind of hidden, and then right here to here, because this line is only this friggin' long. So that's what I think I'm gonna do. All right, gotta take off this fitting here. Take your fitting, wrap it around. All right, so 3/4. So just make sure that thing is snug. It looks like we're turning this whole thing, so that means that's at least tight. All right, before I do anything, I want to be able to put the -3 on and then make sure I can run it, because there was a way to go under. That's where I want to go. Oh, looks like there is. See, this car is made to have a secret nitrous system, okay? Just made for it. Bam, see, perfect. But now I need to figure out how. Okay, just like that. Tighten this. Okay, tighten this girl up. Try not to break it. Okay, now try to gently. I need to actually pull these wires out. I think that should work right there. It might bubble just a tad, but at least we're not going to be kinking anywhere, because that's my main worry, is having a kink in the line, because you don't want that. All right, so you got your, ooh, shit, don't want to do that. Okay, you got that side. So here's your out for your purge. It's already got some Teflon built in. Make sure you just have that in there, and then grab your 7/16. Make sure you got that thing good in there and secured. Okay, then your other side, your innie. Always remember that the tapered side for the dash side is in. Screw that in. Okay, next, go over here, do a little mock fitting test. I think I'll run it just like that. I think coming out of the nostril would be the best. So I need to figure out a spot to run here. Yeah, I wanna try to put it like right here for the mount. I think that would be the best. So I have enough slack here. Okay, see, now I just need to use one of the self tappers and self tap that in. Okay, ooh, that's perfect. All right, here we go. Ooh. Oh, perfect. All right, so I got this thing bent. I need to go the other way. There we go, look at that. Okay, bent right there. I need to bend straight in. Right there. You guys can't even see it. If you just look around like that, bam, you don't even see it right there through the nostril. That is gonna look so good. Is that gonna move on me a lot? I might try to zip tie it just so it's not gonna move, but I think it's gonna move anyways. All right, lost some lighting in here. Had to shut the door so I could work properly, but here's the wiring now. And I think that looks so much better. Everything's zip tied together. I know what everything goes. I got the grounded, or ground. I got the inline fuse here that's running from the main. Then everything else is going off of it. I just gotta wire the white, and then I gotta wire up the purge. And then all the wiring should be done, and I should be able to test everything. As of right now, I just gotta wire in the actual purge, and then wire in the actual power, and then run the button. I need to figure out where I want the button. So next, the purge and connect the wire. All right, after a long time actually deciding where I wanted it, I actually wanted it right there. So it's kind of more secretive. So I ran it to the activation switch for the power wise. So when I flip it, it has power. That has, you know, the one side power, and then you click it and then it'll send the rest of the power to the actual purge, and then that'll go. If I should be good, hopefully it doesn't break. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, that's tight. Okay, that's tight. Okay, now we should open this and not hear anything leaking. Shouldn't hear anything. We're at 600. I wonder if this is just because the bottle's freezing. Hopefully I might be low, but I'm gonna get inside the car, turn the lights on, flip this switch, and it should it did come on, but I gotta, no I don't actually. Okay, turn that and hit this switch. Holy shit. I wish I could see something. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, drop a like. Like I said in the beginning, subscribe if you guys are new, and I guess I will see you in the next video. Peace out.